My name is Jason Phillips. I'm a general foreman for Patelco. We're a contractor for Avista, working on the third and final phase of the Blue Creek to Coeur d'Alene 115 line. It starts back by Wolf Lodge and works westbound right into the Coeur d'Alene Service Center. We're taking out all the old wood structures and old copper wire that some of them were originally installed in 1922. And we're replacing with new steel structures and larger aluminum wire about the size of in diameter of a Mountain Dew can. I have my crews behind me. They're leveling up a drilled pier structure. We're getting ready to set this structure, which crosses Lake Fernan. Today we'll have a helicopter, and he's going to pull our new fiber optic across the lake to increase communication for Avista as well.